Hey, two up Journey Junkies here. Hey, we're in Tupelo, Mississippi. Just jumped on the Natchez Trace, the southern part, I guess. Yeah, we rode out here yesterday from Nashville and check out a concert, the Steve N Seagulls. It was actually pretty badass.
Check them out. They travel here all the way from Finland, and you guys should check them out.
Yeah, it's a good time. Got to hang out with a couple of them last night, and yeah, it's a good time.
Now we're headed to Natchez Trace, Harley Davidson.
So,
see ya.
Later. What's up? Headed home. Had to stop and get a jacket because I forgot my flannel and a jacket. It was getting kind of chilly. So yeah, that's one thing y'all need to remember because it's cold.
When the sun goes down. It's
yeah,
cold.
when the sun goes down in the shade. So yeah, anyway, videos to come here.